really pleased to be able to be here today to join with colleagues from the Nurses and Midwives Association to defend Medicare. The current Abbott government is hell-bent on getting rid of Medicare as we know it today. We need to do everything we can to make healthcare affordable for all and not just those that can afford it.
Let me start by stating very clearly to Mr Abbott how nurses and midwives feel about this issue. Mr Abbott, Medicare is sacred, it's not for sale, it must not be undermined. Nurses and midwives believe that governments elected by us have a responsibility to look after the health of all citizens. The privatisation agenda is well underway in our public health system, and it's part of this attack on our public health system providing free care to those that need it. We don't want a system where when you walk in the door, the first thing that's asked is, have you got the co-payment? This is an idea that will be expanded and expanded if we let it happen. These attacks are just part of many attacks on our health system, and the nurses and midwives join with you in taking this battle on.
Australia has one of the best health systems in the world, and it's our job, every one of us here, to keep it that way. The US has a system with fantastic care for those who can afford it, and we don't want to head down that path in Australia. We want a top-shelf medical system for every Australian.
This is not about making the health system sustainable. This is about wrecking bulk billing, because bulk billing is too much competition for the private health insurance funds. This is about making people take out private health insurance. This is about making the system unsustainable. The $6 co-payment is about creating a two-tier health system where if you can pay, you get, and if you can't pay, you die.
You're going to be told we can't afford to have a health system that looks after everybody. You're going to be told that we can't do those things. It's nonsense. We need to build up Medicare, not tear it down.
As far as we're concerned, Medicare is here to stay, and keep your hands off it, Tony Abbott.